ye be ye news bia na sensem ye koso ewo Atebubu adwira eye youthfo ewo krom ho abemo bia ye chi no koto ma posifo de omankasa epe edi eye mu no koto eye mocho mambo abusuani bia amane no youthfo ewo krom ho sabra mikase de Atebubu police station de ye di ja ahye ho nyina ye police station dan no tisi ya hye nyina ebubu ni nyina ahye omukase nyina egu from we na ya Brefo say ne ekoso ne ekotwi ba brema nyina wodi eyesobo no ebo owura Dampare oda posifo pe oda posifo nyina no wodi sobo bon because e ka afi 2020 8 years ne yeto aban enipa mako wotwe ewuyi a besin ne Dampare ntimi anye hwehwemu bia amfa ho a sabre sa akra ne nyina awira na so wahwere wo mabusuafo hwe nsem esisi oposi Ghana ha Dampare to me ye hwemfa ho a onfa bremo e massa young guys no anase youth ewo krom ho Dampare na wonye na dwuma yie sesi a obi how now the ne police station say ye ndi aposifo ndi wachi ni ankochi nipa na police ni be catch up plane say wankasa kona kofa nipa ne bra awoso woni sa ahode na sa ahode ni nyekita eye police ni awoso wodi akire no enti esi ai say eye temamufo no ye ni emwa bi amfi police fo ho ye ni ni daso bia ewa police fo no ntina eye adwura eye youth fo no eye sa niema we wo wie nso de patch up e de ato omampani John Dramani Mahama enim nana ya Brefo wo se osre John Dramani se wo sre na wa bai de Oma yen say no anase Ghana for your security no enye tight anase ehun hian papa no ma police adwuma no so won hyemu kenana ehun bi kakra embrem na se police asem de aye tra dodo me nti na ya Brefo
Abusua mani sa IGP debi why madam for mani sa no mani sa srafo e wo ma mu CDS debi mani sa papa no nemam niema bi kwaso na akokwaso na egusu kwaso na ese ka ho asem because I'm finding it funny at the moment and I'm finding it difficult to comprehend. Then I make me jiri yesa ya ubi sabi da no yanka bi anhyem yeti krom ha ya na yete se emmabunu apagya ade ato adwuram emmabunu e wo adwura apagya de ato police station ye wo adwura teso o ma police station ne dwure be si fom say sraw emmabunu no akwa she police station wo ma sino si fom say dwaw danu ayeto aba na abato ne won keka wani ade na mmabunu no bi sususo niam bi ankoyi amawo wo mo tisi mu police station wo mo sliding window wo mo pa no ma police fo no wo mo gira ho mo ni tua wo ma ntumi anya hwe me I'm even surprised that police for our police station because there's no way you will go to a police station you will not find one police person there. Na police for the police station tiwa wo mo ehwese a prison for our police station ye be hwe mo so na emmabu na tumi abo awura ho na tumi ahye police station condemned to grebu enu ya te se police for eye Atebubu emmebu na wa Atebubu vandalizing a police station Atebubu o mu free adwura duru Atebubu wo ma vandalizing police station wa Atebubu then e kire wo yetu aba na soja fo anam aboase ni soja fo anam mia hodo na yetumi aso soja ni tuom ne ya so soja ni a ono akwara yetre mu ana ba bia ni so akodo wo na sesa apa. Look, me name what is happening. It's telling you that in the mebuno no woman to ba na woman ni gidie wo police mu and security mu. Because at in Ghana ha kwa na soja for se na so obi kura ye bone abu soja ni wasaman. Abru na kunu a soja for to me sorry chobo ye etim wo bia wo kwadwo mo wo akwa hiefo ye chi omugu fam bro wo mo. Esi otonu omu roli muni paso ama Dominic Ritu defense minister betre mu de esi ye ewiase ye huhu amane bo ye huhu maache ye hu any discipline action we didn't hear anything fit yato about 2020 nipa watwe afrim no report. It took the president John Dramani Mahama to order the IGP to investigate this matter. Not as a person in ref na juma na ase the idea man as policeman say entokwasi na tisim na broba mani pa wu a Say a shishamunia to me bringing those who did it to book. My worry is the fact that at this time, police into me and she one more set example among themselves because you see, Ghana and the police near what they are now reporting my papers here. Won't want them. They cover their own, so you see gradually it looks like a Mebunu Ghana for being Didier police who cause up. May say a Mebunu be nice a Mebunu to me quite Atebubu. Echo shit a senior Echo Jura say shit police for car. Police for car. Eshi police that drebe go for one. E tira wo say Mebunu no gidie no mo security mo no and gidie no ekwa. And they will rather take the law into their own hands because they don't have belief and trust in the security. Because you don't give proper explanation. Police need to be seen in plain so one who the can go police station asan who the case. Because you call peps now report to go see. Wa baby to care money yes police this way dina car no border no ye and hwehwemu anase wo boss search is done is accepted, but in the course of boss search nipa no kura na duane a wakoto na duane o na police ni ahye eye black polythene bag me de me sa be hye duane because me boss search Ghana how wuti ni ho. That's also say bibi kura we aduane mo adan na wo nipa ne ni aduane na no anka say na aduane a wo kodie e wo fie no won fa ne nsanhyem na won tutu ma wo hwe bi hu say bibi wo. The person was telling you, I cannot allow you to put your hand. You are not even wearing proper gloves. You are wearing polythene bag black. I will not allow you to put your hands in it. What's the matter? Because IDP man who can say me boss search. What kind of police job is that? What kind of search is that? Calling on His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the Vice President. Jane, there should be a shake-up in the security services. There should be a shake-up.
Yeah, not just a shake-up.
Services.
A very big one. Sebi. Uncrow what see a shayman. Doctors womb, nurses womb, teachers womb, bankers womb. Sebi ni pokre kodi nkwasesamiti. Then soldiers go there, lie people down, beat them mercilessly. What has happened to that incident?
We've not heard anything.
Foolishness.
In fact,
foolishness.
Yeah, Ghana for to say
and that is not the only thing. Boko. Boko. Please so the ninam kwan no say obi awia phone. Then waka frano krofo. They beat people mercilessly in town. What sort of foolishness is that?
Prison.
What sort of foolishness is that?
A prison officer na awia phone.
What is that? What is this?
Na yeti kromo yantumi ante ho report bi no ase security for mpanyi fo atena se aka ho ase
ampa se ukọ police station se sia sania enema ekoso police station wo ho wonya asem krase sia obi anya asem krase on fa nko police mi amede mra ne be hyemisem because obetwa kwan sa mfa so bia maso police ni ndi wachi o meka wasem mma mi ase mi obi beto me banche be de ne ko police station mi twa kwan sa na ne nyina mu no sa police for wo krom ho no wo mo ne sister ne twempra na che foolish case krana ye dia do police station wa besin ne sister ne pese wo betua e ka you see enu nti na ya Brefo say ne youth for ne ye no kwan so an nti Dampare wo srewa say ye dia si wo suppose penidia boy ho ban na ya somndwe Accra.